Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As many of you know, the Hackintosh life is never a dull moment. Apple just released macOS Tahoe 26.4, and while the update itself is a solid 3.4 GB download via system settings, it comes with a few surprises for us Hackintosh users. I recently updated this ThinkPad T480 from version 26.3.1, and everything seemed fine, until I realized the speakers were dead quiet. If you've been following my previous guides, you know I have a dedicated tutorial on restoring audio in Tahoe, which I'll link below. But this time, the usual tricks didn't work. After the update, I lost audio completely. Naturally, I tried the standard protocol. I reinstalled VoodooHDA and did a full NVRAM reset, but nothing. Silence. It turns out Tahoe 26.4 is a bit stricter with how it handles third-party drivers in the library/extensions folder. After some digging, I found a definitive fix thanks to a fellow enthusiast, my brother Max1974. He has an awesome channel and is a legend over at Insanely Mac, so make sure to check him out. I'll leave the link to his original post in the description. The core of the issue is that Tahoe 26.4 requires the VoodooHDA kext to be recode signed and the kext cache to be manually rebuilt. Essentially, we need to tell macOS that this driver is safe to run and then force the system to refresh its list of active drivers. If you're in the same boat, grab a coffee and open up your terminal. We're going to run a few commands. I've put these in the description so you can copy and paste them one by one. First, we need to force a security signature on the driver. The sudo code sign command, this tells the system that this specific file is authorized to run. Next, let's make sure that worked. The second code sign command is just a check to ensure the handshake between the file and the OS is valid. Now, we need to make sure the system owns the file and has the right permissions to read it. These two commands will handle it. Finally, the most important part, forcing the system to update its driver library, is this kext cache command. Once those commands are done, give your Hackintosh a quick reboot. If all went well, your sound should be back in action as soon as you hit the desktop. That's a wrap for today's fix. If this helped you get your sound back, hit that like button and subscribe for more Tahoe updates and Hackintosh tips. Big thanks again to Max1974 for the solution. Catch you all in the next video.